Hi, this is Kimberly. I did redo my porch this spring. Look back on my videos on YouTube and on TikTok. And this is an update in October 2022. I have a woodpecker that is pecking at my brand new pillars. Now, I called up Genstone and they told me to place mirror or glitter sticky tape around the pillars. And as you can tell, the woodpecker is still pecking at my pillars. You know, these pillars are about $400 each, and I placed 4 of them up on my porch this spring. So I decided to invest in a $42 owl, and the owl's head will move in the wind. My cat did not seem to like it. However, the woodpecker kept coming back, pecking more holes in my pillar. I put the owl in various places and he still kept coming back. So the sticky mirror tape did not work. The owl, when placed further away, did not work. And here he is again, coming back, pecking at the Genstone. And the Genstone's made out of polyurethane and foam. And you wonder why he is doing this. But he is destroying my pillar. And they told me at Genstone that the warranty's not covered if a bird destroys it. So what do? I have no idea. They said I am the 3rd person that's had this issue, and the other 2 people had resolved their issue with sticky glitter tape. So I decided to put the owl right on top of the pillar. And it does have the head constantly circulating. So far, no woodpecker on this post. Now what am I going to do? Have to buy 3 more owls to protect my post from the woodpecker? I don't know. Now, here we are on October 11th, 2022, and this is Miss Jones here in Bay City, Michigan, protecting her newly remodeled porch pillars using Genstone faux brick panels. And who would have thought that a woodpecker would come around and peck the heck out of it? I will upload a new video if this does not work. But until then, time will tell. If you have any suggestions of how to deter a woodpecker, leave it in my comments. I would love to have some advice. I don't want to have to redo all my pillars again next spring. Signing off for now.